Okay. Wow. Yeah, we had a truck literally ran the red light flying.
I heard the horn blow, and I heard you say
They were two horns blowing. He blowed one horn because he realized he was running a red light. Instead of trying to slam on his brake, he just gunned it. So the other trucks came to a screeching halt on the left of me. I didn't know what the hell all the blowing the horn was until I almost hit him. I came that close to hitting him. And I was going. Yes, sir.
So, you know what? The stoplight right there?
Uh-huh.
That was behind you.
Uh-huh.
You never stopped. You just went right.
At a stop sign?
That's the stoplight right here.
Oh, at the light.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll check.
I was behind you.
Uh-huh.
And literally the car in front of you went, and then you just went. That's all.
Okay, I'll have to check my video on that, but
It's not a big deal, man.
Okay.
All right. Do you have a driver's license?
yes, sir. So you must come to a complete stop even if you're making a right turn.
Oh yeah. Have you been in California, or you're from Tennessee?
I was in Tennessee for over 20 years, and I'm kind of dual residency now between here and there.
Yeah, I don't know how it is over there. You're supposed to stop first here.
Right, okay.
Is this car registered to you?
Yes, sir.
You have insurance on it?
Yeah. I believe that's... I just recently renewed it. The current one's good to June, and
I'm not gonna worry about it.
right. So anyway, that's what the most recent thing that they sent me. Though.
All right, if everything checks out, man, just give me a warning. All right.
I appreciate it, sir.
2 minutes, all right?
Thank you.
It's a warning. You don't have to go to court.
Okay.
So right here, there's a red box. This sign right here.
Okay.
Stop right.
Yes, sir.
I'll give you a copy and then I'll take off and you can go about your business. Right?
I appreciate that.
All right.
You're Officer Sumner?
That's correct. Just like the court.
Are you with 29 Palms PD? Or Sheriff's Department.
Subcontracted, yeah.
Right, okay. Okay. Well, I appreciate your professionalism, sir.
All right, take care, sir.
Thank you.
Hey, Joseph, no forest.
Well, they have a lot of side dishes and they have like main dishes. Uh-oh, モール最高かな。大丈夫？
痛そう足。
Okay, Garmin, save video.
And don't forget, if you want your dash cam clip featured on a DCTV episode, you can send it here on DCTV. It's simple and easy. For more details, have a look at the description below. Help everyone learn from your experience. I'm Ann and this is Nicole. Thanks for watching. Bye.